Assalamu alaikum, my name is Wajid Ali Khan and this is a review of my channel, a comprehensive guide to forex trading to earn money with 100% success by learning step by step. Wajid Gold Trail channel is an exceptional educational resource for anyone interested in forex trading. With its well-structured playlist and informative content, this channel provides a comprehensive guide for beginners and experienced traders alike. The channel's content is extremely valuable and highly recommended to anyone who is looking to enhance their trading knowledge. The channel's first playlist, Introduction to Trading, is a great starting point for beginners. It effectively helps viewers develop the right mindset for trading and provides a step-by-step guide on how to register a live trading account and set up trading utilities. This playlist ensures that beginners are well prepared and confident before delving deeper into the world of forex trading. Learning Basics. The second playlist is a standout feature of the channel. It takes a systematic approach to educate viewers about technical indicators, ensuring that they have a solid foundation in this essential aspect of trading. The step-by-step explanations makes complex concepts easily understandable, allowing beginners to grasp the technical indicators without feeling overwhelmed. The final chapter playlist acts as a bridge between the first two playlists, guiding viewers on how to effectively utilize the knowledge gained from the introductory and basic playlists. This section is where viewers can learn how to apply their newfound knowledge practically, making it a crucial part of the learning journey. The inclusion of the Hot Picks playlist is a condemnable addition to the channel's content, sharing day-to-day experiences and insights. This playlist keeps viewers engaged and updated with real-life examples from the market. This ongoing series provides valuable tips and predictions, make it a must-watch for traders looking to enhance their decision-making skills. Last but not least, the fifth playlist, which shares the creator's daily work plan for intraday trading, is a unique and practical addition. By offering a glimpse into the creator's own trading routine, viewers can gain insights into effective time management, risk management, and trade execution. This playlist provides a valuable opportunity to learn from a seasoned trader's experiences. Overall, Wajid Gold Trade stands out for its exceptional educational content, organized playlist, and engaging presentation style. I have shared all of my expertise and ability to break down complex concepts into understandable language, make it an ideal resource for traders of all levels. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced trader looking to refine your skills, this channel is a valuable asset in your journey towards mastering forex trading. I highly recommend Wajid Gold Trade to anyone seeking a reliable and comprehensive educational resource for forex trading. Take advantage of the playlist and start your trading journey today.